In this video, I will show you how to download an app. When you want to get a new app, you always go to the App Store to download it. The App Store app is the only place where new apps can be downloaded. So the App Store, when we say App Store, we're really just referring to another app on the iPhone. So the App Store app is simply an app like any other app. So grab your iPhone and follow along as we download a new app. So first, we need to find the App Store app. It has a blue icon with an A in the middle. So let's tap on the icon for the App Store and open it up. Now, when the App Store opens, it will open to the Featured tab. So across the bottom, there are 5 buttons. So this is our navigation menu for this app. This is how we get around to the different areas of the App Store app. So across the bottom, we have the Featured tab, the Top Charts tab, the Explore tab, the Search tab, and the Updates tab. Now generally for me, I'm going to go back to the Featured tab. There are 2 basic ways that I find apps. One is browsing through this Featured tab. You can scroll up and down, and you can scroll left and right on these rows to find apps that look interesting. The other way, which is the most common way that I download apps, is that I've heard of an app from a friend. And so to quickly get to an app that I've heard of, that I know the name of, I go to the Search tab. So we tap on that Search tab, that button on the bottom, and then we tap into the gray box in the very top. Once we've tapped into that, it brings up the keyboard and we can start typing the name of the app. So I'm going to download Facebook. So I start typing face, and you'll see that there are a number of rows that popped up, and those are suggested things that the App Store thinks that I may be trying to search for. So the very first one is actually exactly what I want to search for, so I'm not going to type it out. I'm just going to tap on that row that says Facebook. When I tap on that, it's going to search for Facebook. And of course, the first app that it shows there is the Facebook app. If I scroll down, you'll see it's brought up a number of other apps that are related to Facebook. So I'm just going to scroll back up to the top. Now, to download this app, I'm going to tap on the icon that has a little cloud with the arrow pointing down. So this button towards the right here, this area, that button can take several different forms. So because this cloud icon is showing, that's communicating that I have downloaded this app in the past and I'm downloading it again. So this Ghost Lens selfie photo app, you'll notice it says Get next to it. So that's the button that I press to download an app. It says Get because I've never downloaded this before. So if I wanted to download that, I would just tap on the Get button. The button will say Install now. I just tap on that one more time, and now it will start downloading the app. Now at this point, it may prompt you to enter in your password if you haven't entered in your Apple ID password into the App Store in a while, or if you have the newer iPhones with the finger touch, you can press your finger on the home button and it will check your fingerprint. So I'm going to go back, scrolling back up to the top here where the Facebook button, Facebook app is. I'm going to tap that button on the right, the cloud. You see it turns into a circle. That's indicating that it's starting to download. And you'll see the outer circle is getting thicker There it's progressing. That's communicating that it's progressing. The download of the files to install the app are downloading onto my iPhone. Once it gets to the top, it'll be ready to open. So now it's completed the download, it's installing the app, and now it's changed the button to say open, which means the app has been downloaded, it's been installed, and now I can just tap that button to open Facebook. So again, sometimes like you'll see next to Messenger, this app, it has the cloud button. That's the button I would tap to download it. And sometimes you'll see a different button, like here next to sync.me, it says get. That would be the button you press to download. So once you've tapped that and you've downloaded the app, I'm going to hit the home button, taking me back to the home screen. And now you'll see the two apps there, Ghostlin and Facebook. The two apps that I just pressed in the App Store now are on my home screen, along with all my other apps. So that is how you download an app. Thanks for watching.